Brian and Lenny, you guys have both raised some serious problems for forming these monomers and linking them up into polymer chains. But Lenny, you just mentioned throwing them all into a pool. This actually raises a huge obstacle for forming long chains of monomers and forming these polymers on the early Earth. It's the problem of polymerization. So what is the primordial soup? It's a water-based environment, liquid water-based environment. Well, in basic chemistry, you learn about this in high school's chemistry, there's something called Le Chatelier's principle. And Le Chatelier's principle basically says that a chemical reaction tends not to go forward in the presence of its products, okay? In fact, what it says is usually chemical reactions will reach some kind of equilibrium state, and if the equilibrium is disturbed, the reaction may shift to go in the opposite direction. I can tell you right now that if you were to try to link up a bunch of amino acids in the presence of water, this is not a reaction that actually is going to go forward. It's going to go backwards. In fact, what water does is water breaks up chains of amino acids. And the bottom line is that water chains, they tend to break up. Water tends to break up chains of monomers back down into the constituent amino acids, making it virtually chemically impossible to produce proteins or other polymers like RNA in a water-based environment. And that would basically rule out the primordial soup,